kidneys are related to longevity, brain power, cerebrospinal fluid, memory, bones, teeth. And so very good to massage this every day. So after you've massaged it with your thumb for a bit, go ahead and hit it. Just whatever's comfortable, whatever amount of pressure or stress. Beautiful. Also, tapping on the body like this also stimulates the old bone cells to fall off and the new bone cells to be regenerated in their places. Perfect. And then switching sides, going to the other foot. Go ahead and massage that bubbling well point. Again, if this is the foot, kind of one right into that indentation in the hollow. It's a hurt so good massage. And feel yourself breathing and relaxing and landing in this time and place. And again, it shouldn't hurt, it shouldn't be super painful, but we want to sense it. So each day, if we massage our bubbly well point every day, it can strengthen us. As I was saying, often we do mirror imaging in acupuncture. So the bottom of the foot is like the top of the head. So again, it stimulates brain power. Beautiful. And if you're just coming in, you might want to just massage both sides when you get a chance. And then when you're done, go ahead and hit on that foot, on that bubbling well area.